Hi, my name is Mitch and I'm speaking on behalf of David, Robert, and Dan. This screencast is a companion to our article comparing today's leading web browsers. Web browsers are used to access the vast resources of the internet. Today there are four browsers that are the most popular to use: Safari, Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer. Our goal as a team was to review each browser based on certain criteria. Before we get into specifics, let's talk about the basic pros and cons for each of the browsers. Chrome. Pros. Link to your Google account. Plenty of apps and add-ons. Homepage remembers your most visited sites and makes them readily available. Cons. Some site and graphics incompatibility. No parental controls. Has to be downloaded to a computer and does not come with a computer automatically like Safari or Internet Explorer. Safari. Pros. Provides security features. Extremely compatible with Mac and Apple products. Use of iOS browser. Cons. Limited compatibility and use with non-Mac users. Lack of add-ons available. Internet Explorer Pros immediately available for Windows users. Large support network because of relationship with Microsoft. Cons not available for Mac users. Some bug issues, typically slower than other browsers. Firefox very fast on both Mac and PC. Easy to put in add-ons. Ease of use. Cons uses more memory to run. Has to be downloaded to a computer and does not come with a computer automatically like Safari or Internet Explorer. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into how we as a group graded each of the browsers. The grading process determined by this specific criteria: OS compatibility, user interface, security, speed on both Mac and PC, and features and add-ons. First, OS compatibility. This chart shows that Firefox and Chrome are compatible with Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and 8, and Mac OS X 10.6 through 10.9. Internet Explorer is only compatible with Windows Vista 7 and 8, and IE 11 only works with Windows 7 and 8. Safari version 5.17 works with all OSs, but Safari 6 only works with Mac OS X 10.7 to 10.9. Firefox and Chrome are the clear winners in OS compatibility. Now, user interface. Firefox offers the most add-ons and wallpapers to enhance and customize the appearance of the browser. Menu with many options in the form of Firefox button at the top left. Has an address bar and search bar. The user may search for things in the address bar. Search bar allows for customization to search different sites. Firefox start page that contains many useful options such as downloads, bookmarks, and history. The user can also set a custom home page. New tab page greets users with thumbnails of their most visited sites. A user can remove sites or disable the option altogether. Closing last tab leaves browser running. Syncing of tabs, bookmarks, history, and settings between computers. Offers sign-ins for multiple users, changing the bookmarks and other customizable options. Private browsing allows users to surf the web without any of the information being stored in the browser. Add-ons run by default when using private browsing. Chrome offers some add-ons to enhance user interface. Simple, minimalistic interface. Combined search and address bar. Uses Google by default. Closing last tab closes entire browser. New tab window displays Google services called Apps. Offers syncing of tabs, bookmarks, history, and settings between computers. Allows for different users to sign in, changing the bookmarks and settings between accounts. Incognito mode allows users to privately browse the internet without Google saving any of the history, videos, or text in the browser's cache. Offers extensions that aid user experience. By default, these extensions do not run in incognito mode. Internet Explorer. Not many customization options. Combined search and address bar uses Bing by default. Most sleek looking browser leaves a large area for the web page. Closing last tab closes entire browser. New tab page lets you open old tabs, displays frequently visited tabs, or start a private browsing session. Allows users to pin websites to taskbar in order to quickly access favorite sites. No syncing or multi-user compatibility. Internet Explorer 11 only works with Windows 7 and 8, so many users are unable to get the best version. Offers in-private browsing, which allows users to surf the web without any of their actions being stored in the browser's cache. Safari. Designed more focused towards Mac OS X users rather than Windows users. Initially opening the browser greets the user with a top sites list displaying their most visited sites as well as bookmarks. Can connect Twitter and LinkedIn to Safari's homepage, but no Facebook or other social media. Users can create reading lists which allow them to save what they are reading and access it later. Has a noticeable jitter or lag when scrolling that may annoy some users. Offers multi-finger swiping on the trackpad to easily scroll between pages. Multi-finger swiping compatibility only works on Mac OS X and not Windows. Interface is consistent to other Mac OS X programs, but may confuse Windows users. Offers a private browsing mode that will not save users' actions to the cache. Has a combined address bar and search bar that uses Google by default. offers some extensions to enhance user experience. Next, security. To measure security, the group used a website called Browserscope.com, which put each browser through a series of 17 security tests. Oddly enough, each browser failed 3 of those tests, which makes them basically equal in security measures. Now, Mac speed. For our speed test, we had to measure using both Mac and PC since IE is not available for Mac. Mac speed was tested on an MacBook Pro using Intel Core i7, 8GB, 1600 MHz DDR3 RAM, Intel Iris Pro 1024 MB graphic card. The 3 sites we used for speed testing were browsermark.rightware.com, peacekeeper.futuremark.com, and speedbail.com. The graphs all show that the best browser speed for Mac is either Safari or Firefox, though Safari seems to perform especially well on Mac products. Now on to PC speeds. The same 3 websites are used to test PC speed, but this time IE was able to be tested because we were using a PC. We conclude that Firefox runs fastest on PC, with Chrome and Safari coming in second and third, and Internet Explorer a distant last place finisher. Finally, features and add-ons. Firefox. Extensions add new features or modify old ones. There are extensions that allow you to block ads, download videos, integrate Firefox with sites like Facebook or Twitter, and add other features from different browsers. 2 types of appearance add-ons. Complete themes that change the style of buttons and menus, and background themes which decorate the menu bar and tab strip with a picture in the background. Plugins allow you to add support for lots of internet content. These include patented formats like Flash, QuickTime, and Silverlight that can be used for video, audio, online games, presentations, and other things. Chrome. Google Chrome has an online store for add-ons and applications. There are apps and add-ons that feature business, entertainment, education, lifestyle, weather, and others. Internet Explorer. Add-ons include accelerators, search providers, toolbars, and web slices. Internet Explorer add-ons and plugins is a category in the browser section. Looks outdated. Not a lot of add-ons to download. Safari. Add-ons include ad blocking, appearance adjusters, bookmarks, multimedia-based add-ons, privacy and security adjusters, social and communication add-ons, and toolbars. Now our final report card. For PC, Mozilla Firefox received an A-, Google Chrome received an A-, Internet Explorer a C+, and Safari a B. On Macs, Mozilla Firefox received an A-, Google Chrome an A-, Internet Explorer a C-, and Safari a B+. This makes our choice as the analysts Firefox. While both Firefox and Google Chrome had very similar scores, we felt Firefox had an overall advantage because of its greater speeds, despite Google Chrome's superior add-ons and features. While Safari and IE come standard with Macs and PCs, we believe it is very worthwhile to download Firefox to improve your browser experience. Thanks for watching.